everyone, it's Tiffany and Nova with Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we're bringing you a front crown section zigzag bubble ponytail. It's a really cute one, should only take you less than 10 minutes to do. Nova's also sporting some bows from our new bow shop, which is Nova Rosie Handmade. I'll take it out to show you. We have a whole bunch of really cute hand-tied pigtail bows, as well as regular classic bows, fabric, hand-tied bows. Anyways, I will link our Etsy shop down in the description, but it is open now. So we are gonna go ahead and get started and show you how to do this hairstyle. First, you're going to part out front pigtails in the crown section. I haven't included all of the hair by the ears, but you can if you want to, making a part at the back of the crown and putting the back part in a ponytail. We're first going to start with this left section. I'm going to part it into two because I'm going to end up with 4 sections and I want them to be even. So this back area I'm just going to loosely secure out of the way. You can use a clip or an elastic. And then the front section I'm going to part into 2. So my first ponytail I'm going to comb out and I'm going to place it closer to her ear. So at the very left side of the section of hair. Now this is an important step because you want the zigzags to look like they zigzag. Ponytail number 2 is going to come over by the middle part line as far as you can bring it. I'm then going to take this back section using water and a little bit of spray gel, comb it out, and then part it in half again. Like I said, I do it this way so that I get even sections. And then I'm going to comb out section number 3, and again I'm going to place it as close down to the ear as I can, right at the left side of the section. So at this point you should have 3 ponytails. Ponytail number 4 is just going to be in the middle of its section, just so that the pigtails are proportionately far away from each other and not right next to each other. So just in the middle for this 4th section. We're going to repeat this on the right side. Again, I am parting the entire section in half. And then this front section I'm going to part in half again. I'm going to come across from my left section so that it's even. And then we're going to place it down by the ear, kind of far away from the other ponytail. Section number 2 is going to come up by the part line, so it's really close to this other blue ponytail that you see on the left side. And then we are just going to repeat. So I'm actually using some rainbow loom elastics because I really wanted this blue color to match her outfit, and so that's why you see me wrapping them around so much more. I don't love to use the rainbow loom elastics because they aren't as sturdy as the Proclaim or the Amelia Beauty, but I'll use them when I want a certain color. So here with my last ponytail, I am going to bring it in the middle of the section and secure with an elastic. Here's the fun part where we start the zigzag. We're going to take the left first ponytail and bring it over to the right, attach it with an elastic, and then I'm going to bubble out this section. So you're just going to pull loosely at the hair from that first ponytail that you added to your second ponytail. We're going to do this again, bringing the second to the third ponytail so it zigzags back the other way. And then I'm simply going to pull out the hair from ponytail number 2, giving it the bubble shape. Ponytail number 3 is going to attach to number 4, and you're just going to repeat the steps I've showed you before, just bubbling it out. I'm going to bring her back over to the other side, and we are just going to repeat what we did on the left side on the right side this time. Again, you'll see me using a little bit of water and spray gel just so that I get a really nice, neat style as I go. It stays looking neater all day long. You'll notice if you don't use product, you'll start to get a lot of flyaways. So adding ponytail 2 to 3, and then 3 to 4. And after you've added 3 to 4, you are done with your zigzag ponytails. This would be a fun one to take all the way down the back of the head, but we chose to do it as a half up style. You can pull the rest of it into a ponytail, do the zigzags all the way down. So here's one last look at our finished style. We
We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out all of our other tutorials. We have well over 100. We upload a new video every week. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See ya! Bye!